soldier. Hey, let's go, let's get it, hey. Let's get it, let's go. Hey, look, life a bumpy ride home. But shit, we gon' make it through. Just stay focused. Stay true to yourself, look. Blowing smoke helps calm my anxiety. Man, shorty so pretty, but she got an ugly personality. Man, the media got folks losing touch of reality. Man, fuck the law, I fucking hate police brutality. Oh, you taking the dirt now if you ever put your hands on me. I'm sparking shit, straight blaming shit, yeah, it's gonna be a first degree. Man, all you lollipop ass boys, please stay away from me. Out here, they don't like when you win my city filled with jealousy. I wanna make it to the T.O.P. so bad, hell nah, you don't understand. Can't wait till the day I can toss my family members. Hella bands. Use a fucking fool if you think I'ma hit the switcheroo on my mans. It's a shoot like every week, we call my city Rich Afghanistan. Man, stay out them streets, I swear it took damn near all of my friends. Ask the one above to please forgive me for all my deadly sins. I ain't got no prize, very thankful, I ain't never sit up in that pen. Shorty, don't be running around saying I'm your boyfriend. Look, money came around, yeah, I fucked it up. Had to bounce back, yeah, I tightened up. Life a bumpy ride, better buckle up. I'll blow this bitch and knuckle up. Tried to stop smoking, can't give it up. Bro, grab that pot, then he whip it up. Hear static on that phone, hang it up. Feds come around, better hush it up. The hood filled up with dope movers. The hood filled up with dope shooters. Niggas be dead, be straight losers. Shorties be iffy, straight choosers. Fuck the news, they be trying to confuse us. Never get justice when cops shoot us. Make no sense how them people do it. Hip to a lot of shit, bitch, I ain't clueless. Shorty, I know you sneaky, I ain't stupid. I ain't got a bow and arrow, I ain't Cupid.